Hello. Magandang araw. Welcome to my channel. Ako pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading. And mismo. I don't know kung naririnig niyo yung ulan, pero umuulan at the moment. But still, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Okay, so ang gagawin natin today ay ang quick energy check-in. Para ito sa lahat ng Leo. Okay, so hello sa inyong mga Leo. Thank you for the continued support. Sana patuloy niyo pong supportahan ang aking channel by liking this video. It really helps the channel grow. Comment na rin sa baba. And sa mga bago, please subscribe para updated rin kayo sa mga post ko pang love readings. Okay, so ang gagawin natin ay bubunot ako ng 2 cards for the recent past and then 2 cards for the near future, and that would be the energy na i-check natin yung present. Bubunot din ako ng 2 cards for the present and alamin natin ano yung energy at the present moment that was affected by the past and that may affect the near future. Okay, and then bubunot tayo ng isang card from the Oracle deck for the advice from the universe. Okay, sige, simulan na natin. So this will be an 8-minute reading. Tingnan natin ano yung masasagap kong energy. I'll get the 6th card dahil June pa rin naman ngayon. So recent past, first card, Temperance. Oh, and 8 of Cups. Alright. And then sa near future, oh, the Hermit. And the Tower. Okay. So, Leo, medyo langanin ang near future ninyo. But kasi, in the recent past, actually gusto niyo na mag-let go sa situation, sa current connection niyo with your person. However, with the Temperance card showing up here, parang in the recent past, medyo naging patient pa kayo. Medyo inassess nyo pa, tinignan nyo pa, parang, sige nga, tignan pa natin ano yung magiging kahihinatnan ng sitwasyon. So, antay muna, parang naging ganun yung mindset ninyo na, wait muna, tingnan muna natin ano magiging kaganapan, mag-i-improve ba or not. Pero, alam nyo na rin sa sarili niyo na gusto niya mag-let go sa relationship na ito. Okay, with the 8 of Cups here, moving on, energy and letting go, yun yung nangyari sa recent past. And in the near future, there's a Tower moment, meaning there might be possible ending. There also might be some changes. Doesn't mean naman na ending. There's just a sudden change. Possible na itong sudden change na to ay related dun sa mga sitwasyon na gusto nyong magbago in the recent past. And the Hermit mode is here dahil nakikita ko dito din na magkakaroon ng contemplation prior to the Tower moment. So, yeah, itong contemplation na to is matinding mumuni-muni, matinding pag-reflect sa nangyayari. So, and leading to this change, sudden change. So, tingnan natin, ano ba yung kaganapan in the present moment kung bakit may ganitong energy sa recent past and the future. First card, okay, King of Swords. Oh, okay. Sa present moment, may mga nangyayari na leading towards this contemplation and this sudden change. I can see here na in the recent past kasi may mga boundaries na nasagasaan, may mga non-negotiables kayo na nagawa ng person ninyo na dahil nga non-negotiable niya siya, napaisip na kayo kung itutuloy nyo pa yung relasyon, and nandun nga yung energy that you want to let go of the relationship, pero naging patient lang kayo kung ipupush nyo yung pag-let go, or hintay muna, baka may changes ng pagbabago. With the King of Swords here, mas naging um, uh, concrete na rin yung mga pangyayari, yung sitwasyon. And with the Magician card here, you have all the tools na necessary for you to create or make that decision. Okay, so I think medyo nandito na kayo sa moment talaga na magde-decide na kayo, pero in the near future, may contemplation lang na parang to double confirm what you really want. Pero I think decided na kayo sa gusto nyong mangyari. O tapos kumulog pa. I don't know kung narinig niyo yung kulog. So, I think it's, ayan, nakikita nyo dito, di ba, yung sa tower may kulog at kidlat. So, I think it's just really a sign na magkakaroon ng sudden change sa connection. Okay, so tingnan natin yung advice from the universe. So, ano ba yung gusto niyang iparating sa inyo? Kailangan niyang gawin. Okay? So, Leo, let's see. Ang advice ni universe sa inyo ay have compassion. Compassion to for yourself. Kung alam nyo na nasasagasaan lagi yung mga boundaries nyo and non-negotiables ninyo, it's really time to have a check-in sa sarili ninyo. Okay? Kasi if you have, I think na express nyo na rin yung compassion towards your person, pero the issue keeps repeating, and it's time na that compassion outwardly na pinoprovide ninyo. I can see here na sinasabi ng universe is to allow that compassion na ibalik mo na. Time for you to bring it back to yourself. So, and sa present moment nga, yung parang paghihintay ninyo in the recent past, meron na kayong concrete decision. Okay? Very sure na kayo sa gusto ninyong mangyari on letting go of this connection. And I think that's what you also want to manifest. And parang tama na, ako naman muna, sarili ko naman muna. So, ayun. I hope nakatulong itong reading na to. Use this reading pa rin with discernment. And yeah, kaya nyo yan. Okay? So, kita-kits na lang muli sa susunod ko pang love reading. Ako nga pala muli si Mystico Moreno. Or in short, mismo. Kita-kits. Ingat.